In this video, I will show you how you can enter Prestige level 1 in Black Ops 6. So first you have to reach level 55. As you can see, I yesterday reached level 55 and now we want to enter Prestige level 1 together. After this, I will show you how you can level way faster to enter Prestige level 2 to level your weapons again. First, click on these squares on the top right. Then go down to progression. Up here you have the level unlocks, all the levels you went through. Go back and on the right side we have the prestige. Click on prestige and now we have all the prestige levels displayed. And as you can see, prestige available, prestige 1. Click on prestige 1 and now you can see the rewards on the bottom left and down here the level rewards after level 10, 20, 30, 40 and the 50. Click on prestige details to continue and now we have another overview. On the left you can see the 10 different levels of prestige, each inspired by a title in Black Ops history. Then in the middle you can see the rewards again and you can enter prestige, and on the right side you have prestige master. Complete all 10 prestige levels to graduate into prestige master, and after that you will have 1000 additional levels to climb. So we right now want to click continue, and now you have to wait 3 seconds again, and here's the last overview before you enter prestige. So you will reset all levels and all unlocks, attachments will be relocked. You will keep your progress and you will get 1 permanent unlock. I will tell you after we entered prestige will work the best for the future prestige levels. And then you can see the prestige rewards, the stats reset. So all the combat stats will be resetted, but you will still see your career stats. So the whole KD will not be resetted. And all the items you have bought from the shop, from a battle pass or some events will not get relocked. So we want now to click on continue. Otherwise you can click on not right now and you will get this sound and go back to this detail page. Then wait again and click on continue, continue again. And now we have to press spacebar to enter prestige level 1. You can also cancel this by click not right now right here. So we have different steps to finally enter prestige. And now I will just enter prestige. So now we unlock prestige level 1. Okay, so we unlocked this operator skin and now we have the option to unlock one specific item from our level unlocks. As you can see, permanent unlock available. Now we can go through all the different levels and the items, and we can choose 1 permanent unlock to keep for the whole leveling process. So I prefer and I recommend to go all the way to level 55. And down here we want to equip the perk greed. So with perk greed you will get 1 extra perk immediately. Otherwise you have to wait for level 55 again, and then you have 2 levels to play with perk greed. And I think this perk is really good to level faster. So click on the wildcard and now we have to press 5 on the keyboard, and here we can use permanent unlock. Click on it and as you can see, unlocked across all future prestige. And so we can go back and now we have this wildcard equipped and unlocked. As you can see, all the other perks are locked and perk greed is unlocked. And as you can see, we have this additional perk greed. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.